How to buy premium on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can buy the premium membership on Spotify. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you're on Android, the process is you can do it from the application, and if you're on iPhone you have to log in from your browser. So what you need to do is on Android you have to just go ahead and open up your Spotify app. Make sure that you are logged into one of your accounts on which you want to get the premium version. And after you do that, tap on the premium tab from the bottom right hand side and choose the option called Get Premium. Once you choose the option called Get Premium, over here you'll have different types of plans that are available for you. And if you want to learn how you can get for 1 year, 2 years and 3 months or anything such 6 months on the custom date, you can watch our previous video on which we've already made a video. For that you have to actually purchase a 6-month gift card and redeem that gift card on Spotify. You have to purchase a 12-month gift card and then redeem that code on Spotify again. So on this case it's just a basic plan, so I'll just go ahead and choose any of the payment methods such as your PayPal or your credit or debit card. So I'm assuming most of you are simply going to do it with credit or debit card. So go ahead and enter your card number, your expiry date, your security code, and then you have to confirm the changes by tapping on the buy now button. Once you do that, you'll have successfully purchased the premium individual plan, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually buy premium on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.